Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the Do Not Disturb mode, which for me is right over here. Do not disturb. And anyway, once you see this toggle first time around, I recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function once enabled. Now, I'm going to go over a couple of the options that I just find a little bit more important over other ones. So, under People, you can select specific individuals that will be able to bypass this mode. Then by scrolling down, we have Schedule. This allows you to select a fully automatic schedule, which will enable and disable this Do Not Disturb mode at a provided day of the week and start and end time. If you're planning to use this, just make sure that it is toggled on in here like so. Now, last thing in here that I like is the duration for quick settings. This defines what will happen when you manually turn on the Do Not Disturb mode. So by default, it will run indefinitely in the background. I personally tend to forget about it, so for me that's not a very good option, so I like to select it on a timer. When I enable it, it will then run for 4 hours, and after 4 hours it's going to turn itself off. So it gives me this peace of mind that if I forget about it, the device will remember it for me, and also covers enough time that I probably get through whatever I needed it for. So make sure that if you're planning to go the same route, you add time that exceeds whatever you will need it in the future for, just in case, as you can obviously save it, and if you remember, you can turn it off. So anyway, once everything is set, you can find this toggle, and this time around, just simply tap on it to turn it on. So anyway, once it's turned on, you can see it tells us that it's going to be running until 7:13, so the 4 hours. And I can easily forget about it, but if I didn't, let's go back to the toggle and simply tap on it to turn it off. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.